Hey gang, Stand Tall Steve here. This time I want to talk to you about vision statements, having a vision. Having a vision means nothing if others don't see it. What good is it? See, that's the main thing. If you're a leader or you're in charge of an organization or group, principal, superintendent, teacher leader, whatever it might be, and you create a vision statement or you have something that you see to be the outcome of where you want your organization to be, that's wonderful. That's the first step. But it means nothing if no one else sees that vision. If that's just a vision that you have and nobody else sees it, you're going to be working in a silo. You're going to be fighting an uphill battle the whole time. So the number one thing you need to do is make that vision clear to all those around you. Have them understand the meaning of it. Have them understand what it could be, what the possibilities are. Have those discussions. As I'm saying, having a vision statement or a vision for something that nobody else sees really doesn't mean anything. So that's your first thing to do. Let other people see that vision. Share it. Get it out there. And then you'll have everybody on board with you. My name's Steve Bowler, also known as Stand Tall Steve, and that is your Stand Tall statement.